Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name's Olineece. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit those big red letters below. Today we'll be getting into the Silk Base 4x4 Closure 99J wig from Unice Hair Company on Amazon. They sent this wig to me and I just want to show you guys what it's all about. So just keep watching and we'll get into it right now. So the first thing that I did was go in and cut this lace in the back off of the wig. Don't be afraid to cut the hair off. The hair is attached to the lace back there. I personally didn't need it because I wasn't putting this wig up in any kind of ponytail whatsoever, so just cut it all off. I know I let it drop like that, which was mad disrespectful to the wig, but what had to be done had to be done, you feel me? So now I'm just gonna put this wig on my head, a little magic trick for y'all. Bam! Oh, whoa. So this looked kind of crazy on me, y'all. It looked like a cosplay wig. Not even going to joke around with y'all, but I knew that it needed some customization, and we're gonna jump into that customization right now so y'all can see how this turned out. So I snatched this wig right off my head. Yes, I did, and I put sis right on good old faithful here. The first thing I wanted to do is do some plucking on this wig. This wig is a silk-based lace closure with a middle part deemed there, so it's not free part. But let me tell y'all right now, there was not a lot of space to pluck at. This was it. This was literally it in front of the tracks under the middle part. But I did the best plucking that I could. I personally didn't go in and wet this wig like I usually would with other wigs because I didn't want to over pluck, because if you over pluck then you'll see the tracks and that's just not cute. So I just plucked this dry, working from my way back to the front. I'm just showing you guys the middle part and the knots on this wig. I'm not sure if you can see the silk base closure in there, but it's definitely in there. These knots aren't bleached, so you'll definitely need some makeup later. And just wanted to really get in there and try to make this look as scalp-like as possible, because I told y'all it was looking cosplay-ish in the beginning. This is how much I plucked, pretty hefty amount, considering that it's a U-part wig with a silk base, but what had to be done had to be done. So I thought, after all that plucking, oh, surely this wig, old girl would be giving me scalp. So let me go ahead, you know, make it do what it do. Run this hot comb through her head, wax her up, make her look all types of cute, honey. But even after that, she wasn't even giving what she was supposed to give. Y'all feel me? Like, she was giving me slave, but not giving me scalp. So just did a little another magic trick for y'all, some more plucking, you feel me? And I was getting as much scalp as I could without showing the tracks. This is all that I could get. I just really didn't want to go too crazy on the plucking process, y'all, because I didn't want a freaking track peeking through. It ended up doing it anyways, but I carried on, took my magic powder and put it on those knots in the front. Y'all are probably asking me why I did this when I could have just did in the front, but this is what really helped give the wig scalp, going from underneath and just getting all those knots to make it look skin-like. And you guys are going to see the results right here. Psych. No, you're not. I'm watching a video too. You guys are about to see the results. And what I'm talking about as far as scalp like right now. So y'all see that? All the roots are covered and it kind of looks like it's growing out of skin already. So the next part of this video is just me installing the wig. If you guys watch closely, you'll be able to see all the products that I used. They're just simple products and my installation is pretty basic. But as you guys know, I like to take this time to give y'all some specs about the wig. This is Unice Hair's straight burgundy lace closure human hair wigs with a middle part and a silk base lace closure. The inches that I have in are 18 inches and the cap size is the average head circumference of 22.5 inches. They do have this wig anywhere from 14 to 24 inches available at this time that I'm looking at their website. And the hair is straight. I did go ahead and curl this hair to see if it just held a curl. It didn't, you guys, but it will like hold that wave after you curl it, so that's pretty nice. I have reviewed Unice hair in the past and it is very beautiful and thick, so I didn't have any problems with this hair at all. There was no shedding like when combing through this wig and when styling it. I did already show you guys the middle part of the wig. This is not a free part silk based lace closure, just so you guys know. The hair can actually be dyed and bleached again. Subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see me do that in a later video. On their website, they do promote this wig as being hand-tied knots and invisible knots, which basically just means the way they tie the hair into the lace is very close together. So I did experience that, but they did say there was baby hairs, and I didn't really see any baby hairs in this wig per se. And they also said it was pre-plucked, but I showed you guys that at the beginning. I don't really think it's pre-plucked. I think you're gonna have to go in there and do your plucking yourself. That was basically it for this wig, you guys. I did wake up the next morning and throw some curls in it to finish this video and make the outro for y'all. It looks really pretty, but like I said, these curls will drop, and they did drop soon after this. I would have to rate this wig as like a 6 out of 10, to be honest. It was just really disappointing that it was a colored wig that you can't really just throw on. You do have to do some adjusting and some customizing for it to work. Other than that, the hair is gorgeous. There aren't any shedding problems, and if you guys want to get this wig for yourself, make sure you check in the description box below. I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a blessed and awesome day, and I hope to see you guys as watchers in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.